one question that everybody often kind of thinks about, that was the first thing I thought about, is are data science and AI one and the same, or are they different? If they're different, what's the difference? So this diagram kind of shows a little bit about how they're different. They are definitely not the same. They have some intersections. So artificial intelligence, or AI, has a small subset, which is machine learning, but there are other aspects of AI which are not machine learning. That could be a perceptron, which is deep learning, or it could be reinforcement learning, which is not a part of deep learning, but still falls under the circle of artificial intelligence. But isn't that what data science also means? At first, I kind of thought that it meant the same thing. Like, what else is there, right? All the cool stuff happens within that one circle. But all the predictive analysis that happens, all the visualizations that happen, all the dashboards that are made, that all happen within the data science, but has nothing to do with AI. There is no learning happening. There is no intelligence being put in the system. It's just learning the trends. It could be historical, and it would still fall under the purview of data science. But if it is predicting the future, if it is learning something new, that's when it falls into the artificial intelligence arena. Data engineering, I kind of put that on the side here because it kind of binds everything together, but is not a subset of anything.